How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Before we jump into the video, I'd like to say a couple of things. First of all, it's about to go down this weekend, and yeah, I went out and got me, a little something to, spice things up around the, studio, and yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys will be able to enjoy, and I can't say you'll learn anything, but at the very least, be entertained. So, I'll just give you a little hint as to what I got. Oh, yeah, you're probably looking at me like, what the hell, bro? It's just a light bulb. What kind of light bulb? Ooh, yeah. Don't believe me? Check that out. Not too much, not too much. Slow your roll. Gotta save some for, the actual video. Don't want to get you ladies all worked up and everything. Sorry. So anyways, enjoy the video. Give it a likes. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy the video, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This weekend I plan on, well, I always say I plan on, and I never really plan anything, but I want to experiment with a couple different things, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.